Hello guys, how are you? I am fine. You are tell me please comment section. So today topic is the biggest gift for SBI customer. SBI is offering the cheapest loan in just 45 minutes. There is a probability that you will need money during this provided of lockdown. With this in mind, State Bank of India has now launched New Delhi news. There is a probability that you will need money during this provided of lockdown. With this in mind, State Bank of India has now launched an emergency loan for you. You do not have have to leave the house due to lockdown. The best part is that you can get a loan in just 45 minutes. Under this scam, any self-help group will get a loan of maximum 1 lakh. Under this scam, any self-help group will get a loan maximum 1 lakh. Identify maximum 1 lakh loan in 45 minutes. Maximum 1 lakh rupees in loan provided State Bank. In addition, each member of the group will be able to take a loan of up to 5,000 according to the bank. Only thus, with a good track record, will get loans under the scheme. In the scheme, the State Bank of India has introduced this loan for customers in view of the salary cut due to lockdown and the impact on business. This emergency loan is for SBI customers only or State Bank customers, State Bank of India customers only. The bank has said that borrowers 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 are not required to pay installments for 6 months. EMI will start after 6 months. SBI has taken out this new loan only for its bank customers at present. For this personal loan, customers will have to pay interest at the rate of 10.50%, which is currently much cheaper than the interest of any bank in the country. Interest is SBI State Bank of India interest is 10.50. Interest is 10.50. Interest is 10.50 in the blank loan interest of any bank in the country. You can do this by sending SMS 567676. The SMS test format is as follow. Parallel last for doing for digit of your account SBI State Bank of India account number. Once you send SMS, SBI will respond to your eligibility query by replying to SMS. You can do this by sending SMS 567676. The SMS test format is as follows: PAL PAPL for digit of your SBI account number. Once you send a SMS, SBI will respond to your eligibility query by replying to your SMS. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and please once more bell icon tick. Thank you for watching.